Welcome everybody. Welcome today to the market review, and today I'm going to be reviewing. Let's just take a look. Remember to come here to marketwisetraders.com/market review poll. Just click there and then you come and vote here, and let's have a look at the top two pairs. The top two pairs are the ones I'm going to review. Okay, I'll be looking at the FX pairs. Indices, if I get a chance, I'll also do indices, but for now I'm just gonna be doing, let me just refresh this page. Let's just see which are the top two that we'll be looking at. Last week I reviewed EU and GU. Let's just see which ones we'll look at this week. Yes, this just loads up. It's taking a bit of time. Okay, so you come and vote here, as I was saying. Okay, Aussie dollar 6%. Let's just see. EU 12%. GU 12%. What's this? UC 10%. UJ 10%. Okay. So if you voted, you just click change vote there and you put your vote again. Your different vote for the next week. So it's GU 12% and EU 12%. Okay, so those are the ones I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to be looking at EU and I'm going to be looking at GU. So let me just get my MTR for here, MetaTrader, and let's just see what we have. Today is the 14th, right? Today is the 14th of January. Okay, so here is my MetaTrader. So which one shall we start with? Let's start with EU. So this is the same place where I reviewed last week, and as you can see, this is H1. So last week, these are the movements I expected. I was bearish, and I did the review on Tuesday. I said around New York, expect a sell. If it doesn't present, expect the next day sell. So it did happen the next day, a little bit higher than I thought, but I can see there was a trade here. If you had held overnight, you would have got about 50 pips. I wouldn't expect your stop to be so close to the previous day's high. And this happened on most pairs. There was some news which they used to manipulate the market on, I think it was Thursday. I think it was the jobless claims in America. And look at that, 120 pips on a ADR here, which is of 80. So you can see that was manipulation, but the sale eventually did work out, because this is where I said the peak previous where I said the peak formation high was over there, up here. That's where I said the peak formation high was, and trade away from it. And look at that, that's just 15 pips. So they just came here and they just pinned there to take out some people, and now we've got one drop, second drop down. Even look at the day, how it's closing. It's closing lower, but I'm still gonna think, from whatever happens tomorrow, Tuesday, wait for a nice stop hunt high around up to the 200 EMA, anywhere around that 135.50, 135.60, and take the last drop for a sell. That's what I'll say. Then after that, maybe on a Thursday, you can expect maybe the reversal and go long. But still, I am still bearish and short on EU. That's what I'll say to you. So have a look at that. As you can see, that's what I'll be looking at. Okay, so around 113.50, 60 tomorrow. Look for sells, and I explained why. And then pound, similar thing happened. Okay, pound, I expected the sell there on the Tuesday. It happened on the Wednesday. You would have also got about 50 pips. Okay, and there again is the same thing I was telling you, just a whipsaw up, down, back to the same place. Look at that. Price was trading around there. They just went up and down. There's about 100 pips on those two candle movement. Look at those railroad tracks just going up, trying to make people, some guys I tell you even jumped in here, breakout, whatever, to go long, and they just came back down. And this was the peak high, which I said trade away from that point. And look at that, that's just about 20 pips. So you can see they were just grabbing orders. Yesterday didn't even come near it. I mean, the next day didn't even come near it, and now we are back at sort of the same level. Pound still shows like as if it could actually reverse to go long, but I'm still gonna hold to expect at least one more drop. So even there around 135.80, if it retraces up to there, kissing with my 3200 EMA, that'll be lovely confidence for me. And I'll look at my TDI, and if I get one last drop, I'll only be wary when it comes around this blocker here, 134.50, to go long, but I'll still be waiting for something short. Remember, like what I always say is follow the market. Don't be so fixed in your ways, but flow with the market like how water flows. Just like how the river flows, you can't swim against the current, but what I'm seeing, that's the way the current is flowing. I'll still say to you, look for two cells there. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Just check out on YouTube, Instagram. I post some stuff to help traders. Okay, there's a lot of free stuff which I have, and even you can sign up on the website, and I have a lot of books and indicators all for free. If you need extra help, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The details are all in the description. Okay, happy trading, guys. May you have a good week. Don't over risk, and may the markets be with you. Thank you for watching.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today